Welcome, explorers, to a land where every hue tells a tale, the spectacular Quebrada de Humahuaca, Argentina. Buckle up as we embark on a journey through a 155-kilometer valley where civilizations have thrived for over 10,000 years. And every color you see is a chapter of an ancient story waiting to be told. From the awe-inspiring hill of 7 colors to the stoic walls of the tilcara de tilcara, every step here is a walk through a vibrant tapestry of history and natural wonders. Dive into bustling local markets where every artifact is a piece of the rich indigenous heritage, and every festival is a fiesta of a lifetime. And watch till the end for a mesmerizing view from the top of a pre-Inca fortress that promises to steal your breath away. Quebrada de Humahuaca, where adventures await and stories of the past come alive in every color you see. Join us as we unveil the mysteries, celebrate the culture, and bask in the unparalleled beauty of this Argentinian marvel. First off, let's drop a bombshell. Quebrada de Humahuaca isn't just any valley. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, spanning a whopping 155 kilometers. This valley has seen civilizations come and go for over 10,000 years. From the ancient Inca route to the battles of the Spanish conquest, this place has stories etched in every nook and cranny. Now, let's talk colors. Ever wondered where artists get their inspiration? Maybe from places like the Hill of 7 Colors or Cerro de los Siete Colors. This natural wonder looks like it's been painted by the gods themselves, with layers of reds, greens, yellows, and purples. It's a sight that'll make your jaw drop. And trust me, no Instagram filter needed here. Tilcara de tilcara. History buffs, this one's for you. The Tilcara de tilcara is a pre-Inca fortress that stands as a testament to the region's rich history. As I walked through its ancient stone walls, I couldn't help but feel the echoes of the past, and the view from the top, simply breathtaking. The Garganta del Diablo. No, we're not talking about a devil's throat, but a canyon. The Garganta del Diablo is a must-visit, with its towering walls and the river snaking through. It's nature's masterpiece, and if you listen closely, you might just hear the wind whispering tales of old. Local markets and festivals. Before you bid adieu, immerse yourself in the local culture. The markets here are a riot of colors with handcrafted goods, textiles, and pottery that tell tales of the indigenous heritage. And if you're lucky enough to visit during a festival, well, let's just say it's a fiesta you won't forget. As we wrap up this journey, remember, Quebrada de Humahuaca is more than just a valley. It's a living, breathing tapestry of history, culture, and nature. So, the next time wanderlust hits, you know where to head. Until then, keep those spirits high and those backpacks ready.